Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan, Assistant Professor, MIT Aurangabad, presenting my video on the topic or unit function of complex variable in continuation of whatever the things I had discussed in earlier. Example number 1, find analytic function if u plus v is equals to e raised to x into sin y plus cos y. Here it is not either u or v is given. Instead of that, it is the sum of that two terms u plus v. Then how to find that analytic function? Let us see. Here given function is u plus v is equals to e raised to x sin y plus cos y. We call this as equation 1. It is function of x and y, and as it is function of x and y, we can differentiate it with respect to x as well as with respect to y. Therefore, first differentiating 1 with respect to x, keeping y constant, and therefore a derivative of u with respect to x is dou u by dou x. Derivative of v with respect to x is dou v by dou x. This sin y plus cos y is constant term. We take it outside. Sin y plus cos y outside, and derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Therefore, that term becomes e raised to x into sin y plus cos y. We call this as equation 2. Then differentiating 1 with respect to y, keeping x constant, and therefore we get derivative of u with respect to y is dou u by dou y. Derivative of v with respect to y, dou v by dou y. E raised to x constant outside, and derivative of this sin y and cos y. Derivative of sin y is cos y, and derivative of cos is minus sin y. We call this as equation number 3. Okay, and then put x is equals to z and y is equals to 0 using Milne-Thomson theorem. In equation 2 and 3, we get therefore that equation 2 becomes dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou x is equals to e raised to z. If we replace x by z, sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1, and therefore we get this value as e raised to z. We call this equation number 4. Okay, and then using that condition in equation 3, we get dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou y is equals to e raised to x. X is replaced by z, therefore it becomes e raised to z. Cos 0 is 1 minus sine 0 is 0, and therefore it is equals to e raised to z. We call this as equation number 5th. Okay, then using CR equations in 5th, that CR equations are dou u by dou x is equals to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y equals to minus dou v by dou x in equation 5th, and therefore that 5th becomes dou u by dou y is replaced by minus dou v by dou x, and dou v by dou y is equals to dou u by dou x, and therefore that becomes dou u by dou x, and that is equals to e raised to z, and we call this as equation number 6th. Okay, and then to obtain the values of dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y, we take addition of equation number 4 and 6, and then we take a subtraction of 4 and 6. By 4 plus 6 we get, therefore adding equation number 4 and equation number 6, therefore when we add it, this two term get cancelled, we get dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou x, it is 2 times dou u by dou x is equals to e raised to z plus e raised to z, we get 2 times e raised to z, 2 get cancelled, we have dou u by dou x is equals to e raised to z. Okay, and then by 4 minus 6 we get, therefore from this equation 4 we have to subtract equation number 6, and therefore dou u by dou x get cancelled, we have dou v by dou x plus dou v by dou x, we get 2 times dou v by dou x, and e raised to z minus e raised to z, we get that term as 0 on right hand side, and dividing by 2 we get dou v by dou x is equals to 0. Using this in the relation f dash of z is equals to dou u by dou x plus I times dou v by dou x, and therefore substituting these two values of dou u by dou x and dou v by dou x, we get f dash of z as dou u by dou x as e raised to z, I times dou v by dou x is 0, and therefore we get it as e raised to z. Integrating with respect to z on both sides, and integration of e raised to z on right hand side. Integration of f dash of z is f of z, a required analytic function, and integration of this one is e raised to z plus constant of integration e. As required analytic function. Okay, therefore, once again I will repeat the steps what we have to perform. First step, differentiate that given function with respect to x. Next, differentiate it with respect to y. Then use Milne-Thomson theorem, means we have to substitute x is equals to z and y equals to 0 to obtain equation number 4 and 5. And in that fifth equation, using CR equation, we get equation number 6. And then perform these two calculations or two steps. First we have to add it, 4 plus 6, and then we have to subtract 4 and 6 to get the values of dou u by dou x and dou v by dou x, and whatever that values we put here in this equation to find f dash of z, and after getting f dash of z, integrate it with respect to z to obtain the required analytic function. These are the main steps or the important steps. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel for latest updates. Thank you very much.